Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the simplistic knee sock in Heartopia game to unlock the simple school style set. Okay, this is how the simplistic knee socks looks like, and I'm going to show you how you can get it for free. So guys, if you want to get this sock, you need to find a golden bubble, and the golden bubble location is here. You're going to go to the forest, and you're going to go to the jump puzzle area right here, and then just go to this tower, and you will find this golden bubble. And when you pop this golden bubble, you will unlock the simplistic knee sock. Okay, and you need to jump a little bit high, and I'm just going to use my car, okay, like this, and then let's pop the bubble together. Oops, sorry guys, it's still hard for me to climb this roof. Okay, almost right there. And yeah, I've just unlocked the simplistic knee sock. Okay, now my simple school style set has been unlocked, and you can claim the reward by going to the clothing and appearance, and after you unlock this set you will get golds. Okay guys, and that's how you can get the simplistic knee sock in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.